Number 5, page 230. The BMI is calculated as a person's weight in pounds times 720 divided by the square of the person's height in inches. A BMI in the range of 19 to 25 inclusive is considered healthy. Write a program that calculates a person's BMI and prints a message telling whether they are above, within, or below the healthy range. All right, above, within, or below the healthy range. Okay. So I want to put all this stuff in the comments. And I know, I've got a lot of these things open, these tabs, but it's all good. It's all right. So let's get this going. So let's call this BMI.pi. Now let's put all this. A person's BMI is person's weight in pounds times 720 divided by the square of inches. A BMI 19 to 25 is considered healthy. Now, they called it inclusive, I think, because in Python, if you got like a range, the second number is not inclusive. But when you're just talking regular numbers, just talking in general, it's usually inclusive. So 19 to 25 is considered healthy. This program calculates a person's BMI. It prints a message telling whether they are above, within, or below the healthy range. Okay, let's do it. So we're going to call this BMI weight. And we'll just call this weight in pounds. So if person's weight in pounds, they're going to say I'm 92.3 pounds. Now they're going to usually say it's a whole number, so let's call that an int. No, that's really, really small. 160, 180, 200, 120. All right, so like an adult, that'd be really low for a. It depends. It all depends. How short someone is, how small they are. Okay, so int input enter your weight in pounds. So BMI times BMI is, I think you can call it the same thing. The function name is different than the variable name. I think you could. It's kind of confusing though. So we can call it the body. Or let's just call this get BMI. more reasonable. Okay, so weight times 720 divided by height, 0.5. We don't have to import math if we're just going to do the star star. And it doesn't matter what order this goes in, so that's fine. So this is going to be weight and height. So height in inches. Yeah, this is too height in inches. This is going to be we can call it an int. I mean, we could call it a float. Let's just call it an int. Enter your height in inches. I mean, we could get it more precise and more, fun, I guess, with regards to, feet and inches. I mean, we can maybe work on that. All right, so let's see. How many feet tall are you? How many inches? Let's do above, within, or below the healthy range. Above the healthy range, which is actually not healthy. So let's do that. If BMI is greater than 25, return above healthy range. Yeah, I'm gonna just put above below. So if BMI is greater than or equal to 19, healthy range, else, right, which is going to be less than 19. So let me type that. Below healthy range. All right, now looks good to me. So now let's type a sentence. Your BMI. And then here's where we can actually solve the BMI instance, which is a string. I think that should work. No. Not yet. BMI. Open. Oh, I found a mistake. Now, this should work, but I think maybe it'll require a parenthesis. Let's just run it. I think it won't work, though. I think we need that parenthesis. Yeah. Oh, yes, I forgot. Totally forgot. Actually, it's working fine. I don't know why the last time, it was just, I don't know, I guess I had it wrong, but yeah, I didn't think you needed a parenthesis around that one, but it was having a problem the last time. So let's, like, it was an earlier problem, like number 2 or number 3 or something. Let's see how that should be cool. I want to open BMI. So let's do 126 and then 54. Oh, I got it. Well, it didn't. I'm not stating the number. I could state the number. No. We could return the BMI. But what did that ask for? It just says telling whether above, within, or below. It didn't say anything about this specific BMI. So the program solves that, you know, on its own mathematically, but it's answering the question. It's just saying that it calculates the person's BMI and then prints a message telling whether they're above, within, or below the healthy range. We could calculate the actual number, but you know, not necessary. I think for this one, it's a good start. Number 5, chapter 7, decision structures, page 2.